Hello, welcome to everybody. Today we have a very interesting exponential equation, how we can simplify this term. So according to the definition of exponent rule, we are eliminate their power. First of all, solution we start in here. 7 exponent of x plus 7 exponent of x into 7 exponent of minus 1 plus 7 exponent of x into 7 exponent of minus 2. We eliminate their power according to the property of 2793 results. Now according to the, and here we are taking common 7 exponent of x, 7 exponents of x we are taking common, 7 exponent of taking common, and here is 1 is remaining their coefficient, and here is minus 7 exponent of minus 1 and 7 exponent of minus 2 is equal to 2793. Now we are simplify this term 7 exponent of x, 1 plus we can write 1 by 7 plus 1 by 7 square is equal to 2793. Now we can rule, and here we can already rule this one, x exponent of minus m divided by 1 divided by x exponent of m. According to this property we are simplify these two terms. Now we are taking LCM. LCM is in here 7 square is the LCM. 7 square is multiply in here plus, and we can get in here 7 and plus 1 is equal to 2793. Next, if we are simplify 7 exponent of x, this will be 49 plus 7 plus 1 and 7 square is 49. 7 square is 49 is equal to 2793 of x, and we can get in here 57 divided by 49 is equal to 2793. Now we are required x value, so 7x 57 divided by 49 is divided by each sides 93 and 49 and 57. This will be cancelled each other. This will be 49 and both are cancelled. This is cancelled. 7 exponent of x is equal to 49 into 49. We can write 49 square, and here is 7, but in here is 49 we can write 7 square and whole square. So we can get 7 exponent of x is equal to 7 exponent of 4. Bases are same, so we are comparing their power. X is equal to 4 is the solution. Very interesting logical question. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe my channel and share this video more and more. Thanks again for watching.